Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some of the best potato soup, and it is simple as can be, and it's in the crock pot. So the first thing that you need is some southern style diced hash browns, and you want the 32 ounce package. We're going to have some chicken broth, cream of chicken soup. You can use fresh onion or minced onion, Philadelphia cream cheese, and salt and pepper. So we're going to dump these right in our crock pot, and you're going to use the whole bag. So you just dump them right in. Then you need 2 cans of the chicken broth. So we're just going to pour that right over the top. One whole can of cream of chicken condensed soup. A half a cup of fresh onion, or I'm just going to go in with the minced onion. And then just some black pepper. So you're going to set this on low, and you're going to keep the lid on it, and you're going to cook it for 5 hours before you add the cream cheese. All right, our 5 hours is up. We have our cream cheese out and softened. We're just going to add it right into this. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it steamed it up. Let's see what it looks like here. Look at that. That is looking good. Let's give it a stir. Oh, yeah. This is going to be some good potato soup. We're going to throw in our cream cheese. Then we're going to put the lid back on it. We're going to keep it on low and cook it for about a half an hour. You're going to take it out and serve it, topped with some sour cream, bacon bits, and cheddar cheese. So let's just stir that in so it can get down in there and melt. And get this lid back on as quickly as possible so we don't lose all that heat. Look at that deliciousness. Your potato soup, sour cream, cheese, and bacon bits. Mix that all in there. That's gonna be some good stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Catch you on the next one. Bye.